Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Honor Classic earphones, or the specific model is the Honor AM115 headphones. Let's take a look inside the box. There's nothing else inside the box. So here we have the earphones themselves, and it looks like there really isn't anything else inside the box other than the earphones. So let's keep that aside. Check it out underneath. No, that's about all there is. So here we have the Honor AM115 earphones from Honor, basically the Honor Classic earphones. And inside the box, this is all that you have. You have the earphones themselves and a little wrapping, so let's keep that aside. Now, these are rubber earphones, so they will be prone to tangling. But one of the key features that they mentioned about these earphones are the inline controls, which have 3 buttons. So you've got the volume control, and you've got, I'm guessing this is like a call answer button or mute button, one of the two. The earphones themselves also have indicators on them to show you which ones they're for. You've got the right and the left. Other than that, the earphones also come with a 1-year warranty from Honor, and as you can see, it's a 3.5mm jack, so there's that. Most of the budget phones use this kind of jack, and these are a budget pair of earphones. Coming back to the inline controls, they've also got an inbuilt mic here, so you can use these to speak, to make calls and whatnot. Coming to the buds themselves, you'll notice that they are circular in shape and do not feature any silicone tip buds, so they might be prone to slipping out of your ears when you're wearing them, but then again, it's a preference. Some people might find these more comfortable, but there's that. And there you have it. That's the Honor AM115 headphones, or the Honor Classic headphones. Thanks for watching.